Okay.
We back in the vlog, we're doing things, we're making moves. I'm depressed.
I don't have any beer to chug.
What's up? Welcome back to another Marco's Vallejo vlog! So, we're back, and today's vlog is gonna be a little different. You know, I don't usually do like tech stuff vlogs or whatever. I should, because I love like computers and stuff like a lot, and like that's kind of my thing. This is gonna be building a budget PC. So we're going to my friend Brandon's house, and you know Brandon from this.
Clap, right, two, spin, clap, now turn it up.
Or maybe this.
I'm sorry, Brandon, but I will have to smite you, for I am the almighty smiter.
Or even this.
But this is quality. this is where it needs to be.
But yeah, you get the point. I built him a little PC on Amazon. It's a budget PC that he wanted, and we're gonna go build it for him today. And I'm gonna teach y'all how to build a PC. Watch, I'm gonna walk into Brandon's house and he's gonna say something really stupid. Hi. Yes. Today we're building Brandon's budget PC. It's gonna be a tutorial kind of on how to just build a quick, small mini ITX PC. How much did you spend on this PC?
Like $470 something.
Oh, so like
very cheap. Yeah, like 500
budget
bucks.
PC, you know. He had some parts already, so he already had goes to the power supply. It's a Coolmax 400 watt power supply. Something light, not too crazy. And we got
shaking all these hands with people.
We got a Kingston SSD, 1 terabyte for, you know, fast gaming. We also got 16 gigabytes of RAM, crucial.
Yeah, before he got sick.
DDR4. You know it's DDR4 nowadays.
This is not an ad, by the way.
Not sponsored.
Before he got
And a
sick,
gigabyte motherboard.
there's nothing.
Some simple stuff.
But this is a good time to talk about our sponsors. Raid Shadow Legends.
Never.
Never.
Me right now, I would never do that to you guys. So first thing we're actually gonna do is we're gonna put in our CPU. We have a Intel Core i5-9400 with about 4 gigahertz, something like that, with onboard Intel UHD graphics.
Intel Inside. Isn't that what it is?
Fat pod. Yeah. Oh, I forgot about this commercial.
Intel Inside.
Yo, just
Wow, that
how
looks
marvelous that is.
Focus. Okay, sick.
Put this bad boy in. Remember,
This looks wild.
never touch the prong on the bottom of the CPU or in the motherboard, because then you are screwed and we'll have to pay again. So usually there is a arrow where you could point it to and you line it up to the motherboard.
Is that the arrow right there?
I don't know.
There's a little. That's the only kind of thing that I see.
I think that's the arrow. It won't fit usually anyway. So
Look at that. I've never even done a computer before and I can find the arrow. Sign me up.
Alright, now we got that snapped in.
That's what that
Tight.
is?
Nice and tight. We put on the CPU fan because you know that should be getting hot though. Not gonna lie.
It's not gonna be like what my PS4 sound like.
Alright, you gotta line it up with the holes correctly, get that in there. And then we just give it a push.
Oh.
Give it a push.
Oh.
Give it a push.
Have you already pushed that one?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, they're all locked in. Look at
Locked in. Alright, now we got that in there. Take that bad boy out. Now we can put this bad boy back in.
Just realized that juicer over there looked like a bong for 2 seconds. It's a juicer.
Yeah, we don't be
We don't do that.
doing the devil's lettuce over here. This is a Jesus channel. JC is watching.
Update.
Okay, we now have the motherboard fully in place, screwed in with the processor in. Now we are gonna connect all the wiring from the case to the motherboard. So all these buttons can work and do duties.
Duty. Update.
Alright, so new update. We have the computer case connected to the motherboard 3.0. USB 3.0 USB. We got all the buttons and then the audio connected. We also have the CPU fan connected and the system fan connected. So make sure all that stuff is connected before you keep going. And now we can move on to the power supply.
Oh yeah, lit.
Let's do that next. So now we have the power supply installed. We have the motherboard power attached, and we are now going to install the easiest part, the RAM. Okay, so now we have the RAM installed. Super easy, probably the easiest part of building a PC. We're gonna do the SSD now.
Suck dick. That's what it stands for.
Oh, Kingston, Sean Kingston. Alright, so now we got the SSD installed, and we are basically done. That was it. We got the SSD, the power supply, the motherboard, the processor, the RAM. Everything is wired correctly. Hopefully. Knock on wood. And yeah, that's it.
Boy, if you don't.
So now we just gotta install Windows, and unless you want to put Ubuntu on it.
No. Yo, is this Jurassic Park?
Can you tell the viewers what happened?
So, we did everything. Well, first off, we got it, and then there was a huge problem. It just kept turning on and turning off because Marcos forgot to plug in something essential, but that's okay. But now that we got it running, we don't have Windows because Marcos left a USB-C to USB-ass, whatever, at his house. So now we're going to get that.
Now once you're done with the Windows setup, you can look like Brandon with a brand new PC.